Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you 3 exercises to build real shoulder strength and flexibility. We'll do this by stabilizing the shoulder joint first before moving it through its full range of motion, helping you to build lasting mobility and real relief from pain. All you need for these 3 exercises is a yoga strap. If you don't have one of those, a belt or anything similar that can handle some tension will work just fine. The first exercise is the active strap raise. Grab your strap and hold it in front of your body, palms facing back. You want to start with your arms slightly wider than body width apart, and the wider that you bring your arms, the easier the exercise will become. And what you want to do here is pull that strap apart as though you're trying to rip it in half. You can start by pulling at about 25% of your full strength, then moving up to 50, 75, and all the way to 100. Notice the muscles that activate as the tension increases. These are the muscles that help stabilize the humerus, which is the bone that runs through your upper arm into the shoulder socket. Stabilizing this joint first ensures you're working through the true range of motion of the shoulder rather than moving through a compromised position. Now we're going to maintain about 60% tension in this strap. Inhale as you lift your arms overhead, keeping them straight at the elbows, and exhale as you lower back down. Perform 5 repetitions here, maintaining that tension in the strap, keep pulling it apart, and matching your breath with the movement. One thing to avoid while performing this exercise is lifting through the chest instead of moving through your shoulders. What you want to do is keep the spine neutral and avoid popping the chest forward. If the chest lifts, you're no longer moving purely through the shoulders, but using the thoracic spine to create that range of motion. At the top of your 5th repetition, we're going to hold. We're going to move directly from the active strap raise into the military strap press. From the top position of the ASR, lower the strap down behind your head by bending at the elbows. As the arms lower, the shoulder blades will sink down your back, moving closer together towards the spine. Keep your arms wide here, keep pulling that strap apart, and make sure that your hands and your elbows don't collapse inwards. Inhale to press back up, and as you press back up, the shoulder blades will once again lift up your back. Work slowly in this pose. Again, the focus here is on working specifically into the shoulder joint. There's no point in going faster if the result is that you sacrifice your posture. Perform 5 repetitions here, matching your movement with your breath, and on the final repetition, hold at the bottom for 5 seconds while breathing. The third and final exercise is the strap shoulder opener. Holding the strap now behind your body with the palms facing forwards, your hands can be slightly wider than body width apart. As with the previous exercises, you want to keep pulling that strap apart using about 60% of your full strength. From here, we're going to hinge at the hips, folding forward about halfway while lifting the arms up behind us. Don't worry about forcing the arms overhead. Instead, focus on pulling that strap apart. Notice the muscles that turn on as you increase the tension here. They should be the muscles along the center of your back. And the more that these muscles turn on, the more your shoulders are held back in place and the more the front of your body can open up. You'll feel this stretch across the front of your chest, the delts, and even into the biceps. The more tension that you add, the deeper the stretch becomes. To come out of this pose, bend at your knees before pressing back up and lowering the arms. The benefit of these strap exercises is that ultimately you control how deep you go and how much tension you add, allowing you to work into your current range of motion and avoiding injury.